Hey everyone, this is Kate from Bookkeeping Side Hustle website. Glad to have y'all here. This video is to help folks know how to utilize this website. I'm at BookkeepingSideHustle.com, and if you go there, this intro page, there's a lot of stuff below the fold here, and I think that this is a great place for you to spend some time to see if virtual bookkeeping just resonates with you at all. And if it does, the website's a great place to dive in. So these three opening icons down below, those are clickable icons, and those are basically categories that I have created that I am used to put different articles that I write in. So if you are someone who just wants to be a job seeker and not have your own business, this one on the right would be, the third image would be good for you. If you have really big dreams of building a huge firm, the one in the middle is probably best for you. And then if you're more like me, wanting to have a small operation that brings in some extra money and where you can really serve clients well, but on a smaller scale, that would be a spot for you. Let me point out these menu items at the top. So these are just some general categories. I'm trying to get these refined well, but for now, this is what they are. And if you dig into them, you will see stuff that's relevant for you. So I suggest starting with the Get Started section. So once we go there, all the articles that I think are helpful for like really beginning situations are here. There's two down at the bottom that are getting started with no experience and getting started with some experience. Those would be great places for folks to just start. They're pretty long, but they're very thorough. And if we come back to the top, I just want to point out a couple things here on the side. Anytime you're in any article, you'll see what the recent posts are. And so if you've got some free time and you're just wanting to really kind of digest a lot of information and try to start to visualize how this could work, just looking at the recent posts, you'll be able to get a lot of good information there. And then above that, you'll always see the categories. That's why every time I write an article, I try to categorize it in relevant ways. And so you can dig into that and read the articles in that section. And once you're in an article, y'all, there's going to be a lot of internal links. So when you see something, if it applies to another article I've written, I've most likely linked it. And then at the very bottom of every article, I put related articles that I think would be a great place for you to go next. I hope this is helpful. Here in the menu, you're going to see also a support tab. This is a way for you to support what goes on here and what goes on in the Bookkeeping Side Hustle Facebook group. I think there's a lot of free ways for you to help, so please take a look at those. And if you'd like to help keep the lights on, there's ways to do that too. Last thing I'll point out is a little search bar right here. Sorry, I should have said this sooner. This is super helpful. So if you know something you're specifically looking for, like you want to look for articles for zero, you can type in zero here, and it's going to search the website. So take advantage of that. And that's all I got to share. I hope this is helpful. I hope you're able to use the website a little bit better now. Have a great evening.